because of the 8 hours journey, and in the traveler it is very difficult. So the weather is also very pleasant and awesome. After that, reaching the hotel, I didn't make the video because I am very tired, so I slept. After that, early in the morning, I got ready and making this video. Now I ordered my breakfast, a glass of milk and the breakfast. So after eating the breakfast, we will start the journey towards Cherrapunji. So let's meet in Cherrapunji. So this is the day 4. I am in Cherrapunji. The first thing to come to mind when we talk about Cherrapunji is rain, rain and more rain. This high altitude town is in the northeast Indian state of Meghalaya is renowned for its unique living root bridges. The history of Elephant Falls. Elephant Falls, when it was there, it named in Shillong language. After that, when British came in 1872, when they came to Elephant Falls, they saw one elephant statue. After that, they renamed it Elephant Falls in 1872. So, this is the history of Elephant Falls. So now we visited the Dental Falls. The water was very cold and the falls was very good. After in between the route, now we stopped for lunch in Orange Route restaurant. After taking the lunch, we will start the trip. So after that, we will go to the Seven Sisters of Northeast. After that, we will go to the hotel. So now I will tell you some information of Cherrapunji. As you can see on this board, one of the rainiest places on the earth, Cherrapunji, a land of breathtaking beauty and exotic people. Cherrapunji is locally known as Sahara. This sign courtesy Cherrapunji Holiday Resort. Okay, so this is some information.